Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys the deal that I got from Big Five, that sporting goods store. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. So I purchased all these shoes with my own money. So I got the email notification saying that there's 1 day sales. So I was just checking on the ad. I saw these shoes, which was a pretty good deal. It says $20. Let me just show you guys the value of the shoes real quick. It says super value price every day, $49.99. And then that's the original price from the Big Five. So let me show you guys the shoes real quick. By the way, they have two other different colorway. This one says medium, and this is the K-Swiss, Court, Casper, and men's low. This colorway is the white/black, and then made in Vietnam. That is the barcode number right here. This one is the size 12. Got the K-Swiss logo right here on the top. And K-Swiss right here on this side. So let me show you this color real quick. So the black K-Swiss right here on the top of the tongue. And this one is the sole on. Got the K-Swiss right here, core style since 1966. And then on the back right here, near the back pull tab, it's a black color. And right here is white. And then the bottom of the outsole right here, it's a white color. Got the K-Swiss logo right here. It says non-marking. And you got the K-Swiss right here on the side. The midsole. Not sure why they have put a 3 right there. Got the white lace. So you got a plush tongue. And you got the insole. So I went to two of the Big Five stores. The first one I went to, the clerk scanned the price for one of the pair. It shows $29.99. So I asked her, it's on sale for $20, and then she said, oh, it's a 1 day sales. So you gotta be careful because sometimes you see the ad that says $20. You gotta make sure when they scan it at the register, make sure it says $20, or else gonna get ripped off by $10. So at first she asked me, do I have a coupon? I said, yeah, I have a 10% coupon. So at first she scanned it. After she fixed the price, $20 minus 10%, which become $2 off. So that pair become $18. She made a mistake on that pair because either 10% off or you take the 1 day sales, which is supposed to be $20. So the second and third pair, I got it for $20. So at first I was like questioning, how come the first pair is only $18? Anyway, so either or. So by the way, this pair is a different colorway. This one is the white, gray, and then gum sole. Okay. And this one is the different item number right here. The barcode, I mean the UPC code would be different. Yeah, so this one has a gum sole right here. And right here, you got the black and gray mixed with the white. And right here, you have the suede instead of just a black color. And then on the tongue right here, it's white and gray. So is this material around the ankle area. And then insole is gray instead of blue. So yeah, anyway, $20 you cannot go wrong with it. By the way, this pair, I checked on the eBay, it was selling for like $60. And I make sure I get all the one that's sold out. So they have size 8.5 and other sizes that's still available. So I didn't get those sizes. I got the size 9, 12, 13, and that's it. So I went to two different stores so to grab all the popular sizes. And if I don't sell it, I could wear myself size 9. Okay? Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.